Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step, so let's get started. First, click on the Start button and search for Control Panel, then press Enter. Once Control Panel opens, click on Network and Internet and then select Internet Options. Now click on the Advanced tab and then click on Reset. After that, click on Apply and then click on OK. Once done, close the window. Next, click on the Start button again and type Settings, then press Enter. Go to Network and Internet and click on Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Now click on the Reset Now option and confirm the reset process. Your computer will automatically restart after a few minutes. Once your PC restarts, the network settings will be refreshed and the issue should be fixed. Now look at the bottom taskbar and you should see the Wi-Fi icon again. Open the network list and check if your Wi-Fi networks are showing and working properly. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.